welcome back to our second session. And for our second session, everyone, we are going to study Writing Bright 1, Unit 2, Simple Present, My Grandma, to page 26. Everyone, please prepare your textbook Writing Bright 1. And before we proceed to our new lesson, we will have a short review about changing verb into the right simple present form. And for our new lesson for today, building vocabulary. So let's start. Before we proceed to our new lesson, everyone, as everyday routine, we need to review our previous lesson. So we need to review changing the verb into the right simple present form. So here, everyone, we studied this one already last time. So in here, I and you already changed the verb to the correct simple present form. So let's read one more time. The Nile is a very long and wide river. It runs through the African continent. It starts in Burundi and ends in Egypt. Then it flows into the Mediterranean Sea. There are several dams in the Nile. They control the waters of the Nile. They also provide water for farming and prevent flooding. Okay, everyone? So here's our review for this lesson. Now, let's move on to our new lesson, everyone. Building vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with the right words. Change the forms if necessary. So we have 4 parts in here, okay? We have to change this word to the correct forms. So let's start, everyone. Open your book to page 26 and let's start all together. So here, as you can see, everyone, we have love, verb, and another love for noun. Now, letter A for this part 1, Tom space Jenny. So what is the missing word that we need to complete for this? Let's check. Loves. So Tom loves Jenny. So now let's proceed to letter B. There, what's the correct form, everyone? Love, correct. Their love is great. Okay, so letter C, parents. Parents love their children. Okay, everyone. So I hope your answer and I hope that your answer and teacher's answer is also the same. Now let's move on to part B. Rain, verb, and rainy, adjective. Now let's complete this part 2. We have letter A, B, and C in here. Now for letter A, it rains a lot in Seattle. So the correct form, we add S for this word. Next, letter B. It is a rainy day, correct. Now, for our letter C. I don't like the rainy season. The same, because this one you are describing. So, it's adjective. Now, let's move on to our part C. Everyone, we have 4 different sentences in here. But we have 3 words in this column. We have class, noun, classroom, noun, and classmate, noun. So let's start, everyone. Letter A. Helen is my classmate. Correct. Letter B. Our classroom is big. How about letter C? I have 5 classes today. And letter D, I like science class very much. So this is our part 3. Now let's move on to our part 4. We have 2 different words in here. Water, verb, and another water for noun. So we have 3 sentences that we need to complete in here. Letter A. I want some water. Letter B. She waters the flowers every morning. Now letter C. Is there any water in the bottle? So there you have it, everyone. We finish our new lesson and also we complete our textbook activity as well. So I hope that you are clear about this building vocabulary for our new lesson. Now, for your exercise for today, you need to complete each sentence by changing the verb in the open and close parentheses. You can see in the sample to the present tense. For example, Sarah, and then we have what verb in there? Cook, right? So we are going to put S because this one we change into present tense. So let's read one more time. Sarah cooks breakfast every morning. So the rest of sentences you need to complete and send that to your teacher's personal telegram. Okay, everyone? So that's it for our lesson for today. Okay, everyone, so this is the end of our second session. I hope that you learn a lot for this lesson. So I'll see you again tomorrow, everyone, and keep safe. Goodbye.